Hello, it's great to see you all. I know it's been a long time since I've been on camera. I've just been very busy making all those videos for you. But today, I want to give away 28,000 gifts to all my subscribers. I'm almost at 28,000 people so far. Now, I want to give a gift to everybody because everybody's important to me and all my subscribers. And if you're just subscribing or subscribing in the future, there'll be plenty of gifts for you also too. This gift is so unique, you probably never ever received it before. So it's very special for me to give it to you, and I hope you enjoy it. So on this beautiful 2.5 acres or 1 hectare is your gift. It's a process I'll be giving to you. And what I mean by that is on this area, I'll be growing a cover crop as soon as I can, and that will be taking carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and putting it back in the ground, or sequestering it what is supposed to be done. Now, if I did all the math correctly, what it comes out to is if you take 28,000 people and you divide it into the square footage of the hectare, it works out to about 4 square feet, 2 feet by 2 feet. So every 4 square feet is another individual here that is actually sequestering carbon in your name back into my soil. So how much carbon can I get back in the soil that can actually affect or improve the quality of our air and make everybody, each one of you nice, lovely people, better quality air in our future? So I was watching a video the other day that was produced by Dr. Elaine Ingham. And now I'm going to use my tractor as an example. So let's say this tractor here weighs 2,000 pounds or 1 ton. Now in Dr. Elaine Ingham's video, this whole field that's behind the tractor can sequester up to 10 of those tractors, or 10 tons of carbon dioxide every year. That is amazing, as long as you follow no-till practices. So what my gift is to you, in every of those 4 square feet in the ground, it works out, if I did all the math correctly, that each of those individual spots with your name on it can sequester maybe a little less than a pound per year, but that's a pound per year. So every year that goes by, you're adding another pound of carbon dioxide in the ground. So it's not just a gift for this year, it's a gift that will keep on giving for years to come, because this is going to be a permaculture field that I'll be growing alfalfa in and all kinds of seeds that are, let's say, not annuals, but are more of a, let's say, a perennial root system in the ground. And I can still use it to grow crops in the future. Now I'm going to have to hand plant certain things and work out other details, but that's what I'll be doing this winter. But I want you to know, with all this information, that this beautiful gift to you is that you know somewhere else on this planet that someone is working in your favor and in your name that can sequester carbon out of the atmosphere and put it back in the ground, thus cleaning our air and making our planet nice and healthy, because we all share the same air. And if you can do me a favor, when the video is over, leave a comment below where you're from, city, state, country, whatever you like to write down, because everybody's very interested in how many people watch a certain video. But I also want to know that I'm actually cleaning air for all the other people in all the other different countries, and plus the United States. And plus, give this video a thumbs up, because what it does, it will actually make other people see the video in the future on YouTube, because I've received so many likes on it. And what that does is that other people can subscribe, and also I have plenty of room on the farm, like I said before, to make more areas, more permaculture areas with no-till farming, which I've been doing, but actually doing it at a higher level. And in the video you'll see is that it's possible to actually sequester up to almost 15 tons of carbon dioxide out of our atmosphere every year. I will list the video that I'm speaking of in the comments section from Dr. Elaine Ingham, and also in the description of the video. It's worth watching. It's only a few minutes long, and you'll learn a lot from it. She's a very intelligent person that has been working in the soil food web area for years. I want to thank you very much for watching this video, And I will also explain other videos that Dr. Elaine Ingham has produced, and I'll be going over them shortly too. There's also a playlist of all the ones that I've seen already on the YouTube, and you can watch them all. It's a brief description of all the things that are so important to the soil food web and also to understanding how everything works. Thank you very much for watching today.